Finally, the new Janky Planks workshop is almost set up and ready to go. This shed is from the 60s and no one has used it since the 80s. And the electrics were all kinds of like, yeah, back when we just didn't care about third prong grounding or anything like that. So I'm running it off of a grounded connection now, but yeah, but the cobweb situation was pretty bad. And but I feel lucky to have this place. It's a 20 by 20 space. Here, check this out. 79, it has a date on it, 82, 84, 1990, 89, 82, 91, 91. The stack of stickers is so thick. Whoever had this had it for a long time. So yeah, coming along, just getting it ready to start producing some goodies and stuff. Got this set up. Yeah, just giving an update. And of course, the most important feature is I have my little kitties in here with me, even though they're in the house. And wood storage is set up. I got a wood stove, and it keeps this place nice and cozy. All right, that is my update for today on the Janky Planks workshop. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, follow for more, and I'll be back. Thanks.